Hey everyone, we are here with this national Panasonic super vintage radio R-314. I recently have bought it from all the stuff shops and it was soaked with all worldly dirt. But of course I cleaned it so that we can have proper dealing and review. Now, this radio is super old, probably was made on the 1980s or even 70s. It has 3 bands only, MW, shortwave 1 and shortwave 2, and no FM because simply there wasn't FM at that time. Okay, so I know for sure that it is still working because I heard it at the workshop, but I haven't tested it yet. So let us apply it with the brand new batteries, guys, fully test it, and of course repair it because I am sure many unexpert hands have already messed with it. Nothing. Oh yeah, there is some sound there. Oh, great, it works.
One of the things that as a scholar is this contrast between the daring, dashing, revolutionary, general and
Great, it's working. I shouldn't tune it like that, dears, because maybe something is clogging on the PVC and that's going to destroy it and making the situation worse. First of all, if you receive something damaged like this, if it is not damaged, then make sure that you will never turn it like that. First of all, open it to see what is happening. And I'm glad because it does not have AC power input, because mostly if it has, mostly you'll find it dead and the components are burnt. So that's why what it is easy to be repaired if it did not take so much time. Definitely those buttons, alright, and tabs here, they are not the originals. I'm sure about that because they are different. You can see the internet to see the picture of this model, and we are going to discover that these knobs and switches are not the original. It seems to be it has been taken from another radio or another cassette player or something. Right. Shortwave 1. MW, nothing. It is dead. Shortwave 1, it is dead. Okay. In this case, we have to open it. We are going to open it together. And the audio is bad. Maybe the audio amplifier is dead. Seems to me that it is a capacitor. So we will check all of that and we will see what to do. First off, let's just open it and see what is preventing it from working. Original old Panasonic nails. Alright, just put them aside for a moment. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, I can see the problem now. The EM is not working because here is a damage here. Somebody has blade with the wires here. See? He cut, put, some of them are already cut. All right. Great. Yeah. And the audio is not working good. The audio power amplifier, there's a problem. It seems to me that one of these capacitors is dead. So we'll change them. We will discover that and we are going to change them. First of all, this is the band selector. It can be open. Good. Push it aside. Let's open the screws. We've got to be very careful. One. It's already destroyed. Not working, of course. It's not going to work like that. I don't see any break on the PCB. It seems to me that everything is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and make it work. Okay. There are problems. The PCB was broken. You can see here, part of the PCB was broken. You can see here, this part, all this part is gone. And therefore, some technician has tried to repair that by connecting the potentiometer volume control to the original PCB. And he creates here some congestion because this wire was put on the nail itself here. So this is one problem. The other problem is you can see that this is the tune controlling the tuning. It will take time. Definitely it will take time. In addition to correcting the problem of the antenna coil here. So we have a lot of problems really in this. Some wires are missing. I think all this wire coil is going to be changed. I don't know about the shortwave coil. We still have to test it. First you have to take out the PVC and test it to make sure that there is no problem or damage inside. And if there is any damage, we don't want to worsen the situation. It will take time. Not to mention that this thread tuning system needs also pretty amount of care to make sure that it is running smoothly and the thread will not cut. It will take time. This is the tuning, the tone control, on off. It is damaged. You can see the bottom of the switch is already falling down. It is here. So still it needs to be open and optimized. It will take time. AM antenna coil. 90% is damaged. The ferrite rod is broken. So you can see he used some kind of glue here and also here, which already affected the coating of the wires of the shortwave coil. Meaning we have to check now to make sure that no damage happened. Secondly, the tone control, it is broken. You see, this is part of the wiring. It's already broken, see? And now we are in trouble because we don't know how we can rehabilitate it again. I don't know. I will find a way how to restore it. Number 3, the PVC. The PVC, it seems to me, it is for another radio. It is not for this radio. In this case, we have to align it with capacitor to suit this PCB. In addition to some part of it responsible for the AM frequency here, it was not connected. So no wonder AM is not working. So it turned out into recovery workshop. Let's go ahead and start this long process of repair.